Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to delete characters on Character.AI. So if you're looking to remove characters that you have created in past, I will walk you through the entire process step by step. Make sure to watch the video until the end to see how it's done. And don't worry, it's a pretty easy process. To start, we need to launch the Character.AI application on our mobile phone. Once the app is open, log into your preferred account, and after logging in, you'll be presented with a list of chats and characters you have interacted with, including the ones you have created. Now, find the character that you want to remove and hold it, then you will see three options appearing. You can either view the character, hide the character, or share the character. If you only want to make changes, you can tap on View Character, then click on this edit icon at the top right. And in this page, you can modify the details like name, description, and other features. However, if you want to delete the character permanently, let's go over how to do that. The first method you can try is, you can go back to the recent chats, long press the character you wish to remove, and this will give you the option to hide the character from your recent chat list. This doesn't delete the character, but it removes the character from your view. So select Hide Character. Now refresh this page. As you can see, that character has been removed from my profile. If you're looking for a more permanent solution, let's go a bit further. Another workaround is to view your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top right corner. In this section, you will find all your private chats appearing. From here, you can go to the setting of any specific chat or character by clicking on the gear icon. Then, within these settings, you can edit the character's name, description, and other feature. For example, if I'll have to delete this chat, I will just name it anything I want. I will remove the description, type in anything, and I can change the voice for this. Click on change and select any random voice you want. Click on select voice. Now click on save. So if you'd like to replace the character, you can change its name and description entirely. For instance, if you want to remove the old character, just change the name and description to something new. You can also adjust other details like character's visibility, image generation settings, and once you've made the changes you want, don't forget to tap the save to confirm everything. While this method doesn't directly delete the character, the changes make it essentially a new character, removing the identity from the old character instantly. And that's it. Those are the steps to either hide, edit, or delete characters on Character.AI. Whether you want to make minor adjustments or completely remove a character, these methods will help you do just that. So that's how you delete characters from Character.AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.